Hello friends! For today's video, we're going to unbox what item inside of this parcel. Well, do a short overview of this product and we will tackle the benefits, advantage, and the other. We will explain a lot more of this opening. So let's open it. Art of R. Moroccan. Oh God. Well, the product inside is Moroccan hair. Essential oil, good for hair, nutriment, and when you want to make your hair smooth and shine. It helps guys to strengthen your hair roots, to straighten your hair roots. This product is rich in Moroccan nut. It's extract that help increase your hair moisture, improve dry and raw hair. Why I really love this product? Because it helped my hair to resist from dryness, because I do some color on my hair like bleaching. Sometimes that result to damage my hair. It also make my hair strong instantly, help to prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. This product, guys, you can order on AliExpress with your exclusive offer. Only get this item for just $13. I saved $6 during the event on AliExpress. So guys, that's it make for now. See you in my next video.